Alright, frequency here.
228, 228.
SanPedro Tower, Twin Commander 681 Tango Charlie is back taxiing. SanPedro.
Sharp final for 6 SanPedro, Victor.
That was unreadable.
Come again for the last contact to SanPedro.
He's coming in, Pedro. Just hold short on the side.
Alright, get our fixes in.
KSPZ, yeah, and then MZBZ.
Terrain, system test, okay.
Cool. Drop.
SanPedro traffic, Twin Commander 681 Tango Charlie's back taxiing.
06.
06, SanPedro. Alright, you got the comms.
Okay. Both engines are off the locks, right?
Yep.
Okay.
And we would be taxiing this straight if not.
Cool. Making sure. SanPedro traffic. Twin Commander 681 Tango Charlie back taxiing is 06, SanPedro.
Pressure's good, suction good, flight controls. Watch your balls.
I can't see the rudder, but we'll find out.
They feel good.
We'll find out.
I walked past it. We didn't add the rudder lock, so.
But just, be mindful of it when we're taking off. Just make sure you have rudder control.
Alright, I got you, man.
Just be mindful of it.
Alright, we're gonna go 2,500 feet. Not worried about the barrel, it's hot.
Okay, we're MZV tower is in there as well.
Okay, we're gonna do a right turnout.
You can do whatever you want. There's no, but typically it's left, right?
Yeah.
Taxi west ramp, SanPedro, Hotel in Echo.
Go right here, take a right, yeah.
Yeah.
Can we call it?
Yeah.
SanPedro traffic, Twin Commander 681, Tango Charlie departing is 060 with the left to pattern, SanPedro. Okay, flight auto, right, pressurization?
Yep.
Wing flaps, check.
I hear buzz. Yeah, I do too, but that's still with it in the air.
Engine gauge of the green airspeed alive, center line. 90, 95.
Got a back track 6 SanPedro, Hotel in Echo.
SanPedro traffic, Twin Commander 681, Tango Charlie upwind is 060, doing a right turnout, SanPedro. Watch your attitude, watch your attitude.
Ah, dude, I'm good. This thing flies like a Cessna, man.
I know, but we're just low. That's it. SanPedro, Twin Commander 681 Tango Charlie, right, downwind 060, departing to the southwest, SanPedro.
Alright, get us on one tower.
You want to go now?
Approach.
I just want to keep listening just in case. You want to go now?
Yeah, I'd say now. We're almost to our altitude and everything.
Oh, you know what? I don't know what the approach frequency is.
Should be right there, the tower.
Just go tower, you think?
Just go tower.
Okay, so we are 20 or 30 miles out. I can see if I can find the approach frequency. 2-1, yeah, it's 2-1. Yeah, approaching there.
Yeah.
Tail Golf Oscar Gulfstream.
Take full approach, 3 miles.
Tail Golf Oscar Gulfstream, radar contact QNH 29906, runway 07.
Altimeter 2906.
Got it.
Goldson approach. Twin Commander 681 Tango Charlie.
November 681 Tango Charlie, Goldson radar, morning.
Goldson Radar, good morning. Twin Commander 681 Tango Charlie just departed out of SanPedro 2600 going VFR to the international Belize.
November 681 Tango Charlie, Goldson radar, radar contact QNH 29906, runway 07 in use.
07 in use, 906 on the altimeter, 1 Tango Charlie, thank you. Prop seek is on.
That's fine.
From Juliet Alpha with you climbing up to 05.
Hotel Juliet Alpha, Goldson radar, roger, radar contact.
Radar contact, Hotel Juliet Alpha.
Hotel Juliet Alpha, traffic 12 o'clock, 16 miles, opposite direction, level 2,500 feet. Stand by for aircraft type, Imon to Gulfstream.
Roger, copy the traffic, looking out Juliet Alpha.
November 681 Tango Charlie, just report aircraft type.
We're a Twin Commander AC-80 for 1 Tango Charlie. It does every few minutes. Yes, and then it turns back on.
Juliet Alpha, copy.
Copy aircraft type, Juliet Alpha.
you have your seatbelt on, Carrie? Okay.
Go to left rudder. Coordinate.
November 681 Tango Charlie, traffic 12 o'clock, 68 miles, opposite direction, level 1,500 feet, Cessna 208.
We're looking for traffic, 1 Tango Charlie.
They're gonna be in the clouds.
Nope. We'll miss them. Traffic tight?
No, I got the field. No, I think.
Should be passing off our left.
November 6
Yeah, we got it.
EF1 Tango Charlie, clearing of opposite Van Caravan, even commence your descent and contact Gulfstream Tower, 118.0 for runway 07.
18-0, and we'll go ahead and send down a pattern altitude, 1 Tango Charlie, thank you.
Hotel Juliet
Contact
Alpha, clear of the Air Command.
Are you taking it? Okay. Golden Tower Commander 681 Tango Charlie, about 6 miles to the east. We coming in 07, descending.
November 681 Tango Charlie, Gulfstream Tower, wind, join left downwind, runway 07, wind 120 degrees, 13 knots, QNH 29996, report left downwind.
We're left downwind.
We are currently left downwind 906 on the altimeter, 1 Tango Charlie.
November 681 Tango Charlie, report 4 miles final.
Report a 4 mile final, 1 Tango Charlie.
Sorry, Charlie.
Hotel India Charlie, Gulfstream Tower, wind 130 degrees, 12 knots, runway 07, cleared for takeoff.
For takeoff, so that's Charlie.
What? No, I got it. We're about to be landing, Carrie. It's cold. Okay, we're about to land. I need to. Okay, I need to focus.
Good John Charlie 700.
Hotel Golf Oscar, Gulfstream Tower, join right base, wind, runway 07, wind 130 degrees, 12 knots, QNH 29996, report right base.
After that, Mike Wilson Tower, we don't want you to degrees 1 to knots, only just uncleared for immediate takeoff. We're going on
Great, great.
7, immediate takeoff, 121 to 10 airborne. After that, Mike. 661 Tango Charlie, report on 3 miles final for runway 07.
We're left base right now, 1 Tango Charlie.
At 3 mile left.
1 Tango Charlie Wilson, Roger, and report position.
3 mile left base.
3 mile left base, 1 Tango Charlie. We are 3 mile left base, 1 Tango Charlie.
81 Tango Charlie, Gold Roger, consider port for runway 07.
Cleared at 07, 1 Tango Charlie.
I don't think he cleared us, but.
Let go, Oscar, report 4 miles, final for runway 07.
4 mile final, go.
661 Tango Charlie with 13 degrees 12 knots, runway 07, clear to land.
07, clear to land, 1 Tango Charlie.
Alright, 3 green and locked. Flaps down, locked.
Tower 326, Papa Fox, ready for takeoff.
Sorry, 328 Papa Fox, we're ready to go. 328 Papa Fox, shot Wilson, Tower. Good morning, hold short of runway 07.
2 white, 2 green.
328 Papa Fox, holding short, runway 7.
Wind's coming from over here.
Yep.
Takeoff Oscar, confirmed joining 4 miles.
There's a big gust factor right now.
Takeoff Oscar, Watch Master, continue approach for runway 07, Charlie 56 to depart.
Beautiful landing. Jesus Christ, that was beautiful.
Three two eight Papa Foxtrot, ready for immediate departure.
Ready to go?
328 Papa Foxtrot, confirm you're ready for immediate departure.
Hey Papa Foxtrot, yes sir, ready to go.
328 Papa Foxtrot, Golson, Roger, wind 10 degrees 17 knots, runway 07, clear for immediate takeoff.
328 Papa Fox, clear for takeoff, runway 7 immediate.
Takeoff Oscar, confirm 2 miles.
Alright, stop.
Takeoff Oscar, continue approach, and Charlie 56 departing now.
Belize ground, Commander 61, Tango Charlie, off of runway 07 on Charlie, looking to taxi.
November 681 Tango Charlie, Gulfstream ground, good morning. Taxi to stand number 9er with caution.
Stand 9er.
And which way is that?
Oh, and which way is that? 1 Tango Charlie.
Right here.
November 681 Tango Charlie, stand number 9er to the west.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I see 8, yeah. There it is, 9.
Where are you seeing it?
Right there. See 9?
Oh, okay.
Golf Oscar, Gulfstream ground, good morning. Continue vacating via Charlie, taxi with caution, stand number 2.
Alright guys, hope you enjoyed your flight. We gotta shut down, it's hot as hell.